Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. I hate to upload these videos back to back, but I'm going to because I don't care. But this is going to be another of my mystery Birchbox unboxings, except I'm doing 3 at a time now, folks, and I can tell that one of these is really old. And it's probably one of those really old special edition boxes. But anyway, if you don't know what these videos are on my channel, I basically pick out 3 random Birchboxes from over the years, review them, break down the sample values so you can see how the program has progressed. Did it used to be better? Has it improved? Or does it suck now? So, if you're interested in learning more about Birchbox, I can link my playlist down below and up in the cards. And then also, if you're interested in joining, I put my referral link down below. Of course, you don't have to use it, so. I am going to save the best one for last, which is, I believe, is a special edition, really old Birchbox. I can tell it's really old because it's in the old school cardboard packaging. I'll start with these two. Yeah, these 2 newer ones first. Okay. This first one opens up like this. I have no idea what month or year this is, so I'm going to annotate it. But this side always talks about the theme, while this side talks about the products and the values and stuff like that. And then here are my products. So I am going to start in order. The Mika Nourishing Mask. The sample is 0.7 ounces. Full size ranges from 12 to 28 bucks. Packed with sea buckthorn berry, which is chock full of omegas, and jojoba oil. This paraben-free mask intensely hydrates strands while repairing damage and sealing frayed ends. Next thing is by Embryolisse, the late creme concentrate. Full size is 28 bucks. This comes in a very nice box. And the sample is 0.17 ounces. And then, comes with instructions. That's really fancy. I believe all this is basically miniatures of the full-size products. Because here's the actual sample right there. A makeup artist's fave, this French moisturizer heals dryness and preps skin for foundation. The next thing is by LOC. Oh, by Tati. Don't know if you guys remember the history of that collaboration. The One and Done Shadow Stick. And On Point, the full size is 10 bucks. This sample is 0.05 ounces. Here is the stick. Right there. It doesn't twist, so that might be all the product that you get, or if that sharpens. I have no idea. This waterproof shadow stick in a shade handpicked by Tati Westbrook delivers up to 11 hours of creaseless color, no brushes, blenders, or primers needed. Next thing is by Marcel, the Extension Plus Curl Mascara. This sample is 0.15 fluid ounces. The full size is $14. This boundary pushing hypoallergenic mascara grabs and curls even the smallest of lashes for a doe-eyed look. Last name, I'm actually pretty excited to see because it can possibly be a future Insomniac review. This is by This Works, the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. The full size is $29. I can see the full size is 2.5 ounces. This sample is 0.17 fluid ounces. This is apparently clinically proven to aid a good night's rest. This common infusion of lavender and chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray on your pillow right before bed. So we'll see about that. Alright, I have to say I'm excited about probably everything but the mascara. This first box has a value of, very colorful and pretty. Alright, I can tell this is older because there's tissue paper in here. This is a July box. And I'll put up what year. This talks about the theme, of course. And then the actual goodies inside, and they had something with benefit because the push-up liner talks about that. First thing is the Kula SPF 30 Organic Makeup Setting Spray. The full size is $36. This sample is 0.34 fluid ounces. Weightless matte finish mist that sets your look, hydrates skin, and blocks UV rays. The next thing is by Dr. Brandt. The Microdermabrasion Skin Exfoliant, full size is $78. Jesus. The sample is 0.25 ounces. It's upside down, my bad. Or wait, no, I had it right. Breakthrough at-home treatment for a glowing complexion. No pricey derm appointment required. Next thing, MD Solar Sciences Mineral Cream SPF 50. Full size is $30. This sample is 0.25 ounces. This hypoallergenic formula fights signs of aging, blocks UVA, UVB rays, and has a silky finish. Next thing is by a really expensive company. Oribe Après Beach Wave and Shine Spray. The sample is 1 ounce. I've gotten quite a few of these in the past. The full size of this thing is $22 to $39. The spritz delivers beachy texturized waves, plus it hydrates summer dry hair and boosts shine. And the last thing I am pretty excited about is the Steelist Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in 0.05 fluid ounce sample. Very excited to try this. I love my liquid lipsticks. I've never tried this one by Stila before. This color is in Beso, which I believe is Spanish for kiss. This creamy formula glides on like a gloss, yet it lasts and lasts and lasts like a stain. So the second box is a value of. Now let me get into, I want to annotate whether or not this was like a special edition box that you can buy extra. Because I believe this has extra products, but this was the Finds Birchbox. Yes, it is very full. Full-size products in it. And I hate to say they don't really make special edition boxes like these anymore. They all have higher priced items. They're often like really nice products, so they tend to be like higher dollar. I'm thinking that this box could have costed me more than $15 or something like that. Just a couple bucks more than normal price. But anyway, let me get into the products. This is, and just, I think everything in here is full size. So the Nivea A Kiss of Care in Color and Sheer Berry. And I'll do the values of everything in here as well. The Biore Self-Heating 1 Minute Mask with Natural Charcoal. This has 4 single-use packets. This is the John Frieda Frizzy's Nourishing Oil Elixir with Argan Oil. This is 3 fluid ounces. This is a CoverGirl Bombshell Shine Shadow in Ice Queen. Looks like it's possibly like a silver, maybe. Then we got another CoverGirl product, which I have used this mascara before through Influencer. It was sent to me for free. This is the Bombshell Volume. A really good mascara. If I'm not mistaken, it's a little difficult to take off, but other than that, it worked really well from what I recall. And so I have this. Next thing is a Rimmel London Stay Glossy 3D Effect Lip Gloss in Back Row Smooch. Looks like a very pretty, like shimmery pink color. And then the last thing is a Sally Hansen Cucamongo, a complete salon manicure nail color. And it's like a, I don't know if you'd say like a watermelon pink or like a coral, maybe coral pink. But yes, the value of that specialty box is, and I hate to say that box has an advantage because I think we're going to say I like that one the most out of all the 3. I'm going to quickly throw up the 3 values of all 3 boxes again. And this is all I have to say for my Triple Mystery Birchbox unboxing video. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And if you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications, even though I feel like it doesn't really do anything anyway. And until next time, you guys, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again, hopefully, very soon.